Today, we will discuss how to teach a robot's position. Robot position teaching is used to teach a robot to move to a specific point. First, the direct teaching button is found in a robot's tool flange. You can press this button to move your robot to the desired position. If you release the direct teaching button, the robot immediately stops. Now, you can press it again to move it to a desired position. The second method is to use the UI. On the right side to the Make window of UI, there is the Jog Setup button. We will discuss three jog methods: global, local and joint. First, a global jog involves movement in the base coordinate system. In the base coordinate system, Y direction is where the robot cable comes out. Z direction is vertical direction. Naturally, this is the X direction. You can also check the coordinate system in the robot UI screen. So, if you want to move your robot in the Z direction, press the button in Z. Press it once, then the robot moves on the screen. But it does not move in the actual site. Why? Because at the top of the screen, the simulation and real robot modes exist, and simulation mode is selected by default. Select the real robot mode and press the button in the Z direction. Then the robot actually moves this time. Now, click the desired position value. To get the keypad on the left, type in the desired value to move your robot to that point. Next, this is the description of the local jog. To demonstrate the local jog coordinate, we will make a robot stand up vertically. The initial coordinate of local jog is the same as the one you got by moving the base coordinate of tool flange. So, the Y direction is toward the inside. Plus Z direction is vertical upward, and this direction is the plus X direction. Just like the base coordinate, you can see it on the UI screen. Plus Z direction is the direction of direct teaching button. Plus Y direction is vertical inward. Plus X direction is out this way. So, if you want to raise it vertically, press plus Y. Or if you want to lower it vertically, press minus Y. Using the direct teaching button, if you want to move a robot vertically, then press plus Z or minus Z. Next, the joint jog is used to each joint one by one. RB series has the following joints, such as base joint, shoulder joint, elbow joint, wrist joint 1, 2, 3. So, if you want to move the base joint, then press the plus button in base. Press the minus direction and you can see that the base moves in the minus direction. So far, we have discussed the smooth mode of jog. As you saw before, in the smooth mode, if you press down plus or minus, it will continue to move. Also, you can press the number to set the desired value. Next, the tick mode allows you to move your robot by a certain desired interval. Here, we have distance, orientation, joint. Distance corresponds to the X, Y, Z of the global local coordinate. Orientation corresponds to the Rx, Ry, Rzof, the global local coordinate. Finally, joint corresponds to a joint jog value. For example, set the distance to 20 and try to move a robot in the plus Z direction. Each time you press the plus button, it will go up by plus 20. Each time you press the minus button, it will go down by minus 20. Also, we will set the orientation to 5 deg and enter a rotation value in the x direction. If you move the Rx in the plus direction, then a robot will by 5 degree with respect to the x-axis. Now, we will set the joint interval to 5 deg and then move to the joint side. If you want to move the base by plus 5 deg, then press the plus direction. Also, to move it in the minus direction, press the minus direction. The third position teaching method is to use your joystick. Connect a USB dongle of the joystick to the USB terminal of the control box. In the Make window, click Setup and click Joystick in the option. Here, press the refresh button. The message will say the joystick is connected to the device. After that, refer to the screen while moving your robot. For example, let me move the robot once in the X direction. Or, press RT once. From now on, you can move your robot in tick mode. So far, we discussed robots' position teaching methods, and thanks for your time.